Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can also change video's definition, you can change its frame rate, you can also record from front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can also change video coding format. So in order to start the recording, you just tap on this button once, and this kind of a menu appears. Here you can also switch sound settings. So to start recording, you just tap on this red button once and recording starts immediately. So as you can see, here is my front camera view. Like, I don't know, that's how you record something, whatever you want. You can also pause your recording by tapping on this red button here. Then you can play it again and continue recording. When you're done recording, just tap on this tick icon here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery into the album called videos or screenshots. It will be in both of these albums, and from here you can share, edit, favorite, delete this video, or perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.